We're going to take a look at this. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. This company was kind enough to send it over to me to try. We're going to unbox it. I'm super excited. This is an enamel cast iron Dutch oven that I'm going to use for sourdough and other things, I'm sure. It's a 5-liter or 5.3 quart item. We've got a box in a box. Looks like the lid, I think, is in here. Yep, that's the lid. There's my user manual. Comes with these grip thingies, which I don't have, so I'm super excited to get some of these. I almost bought some the other day, but glad I didn't. Silicone trivet for setting it on because it's going to be like 500 degrees. This is rated to 500 degrees. There's an approved sponge because you're going to want to wash this by hand, not in the dishwasher. Let's take this out of here. I love this color. Look how pretty that is. So nice and white and pretty on the inside. Here's our lid. Everything is wrapped up and packed really nicely. There's our lid on top. It's so pretty and shiny. I love it. I'm gonna make so much bread in this. Now I have an excuse to make bread. I didn't need an excuse to make bread, but now I have an excuse to make bread. This is beautiful. Comes with these. Love these. For grabbing it. You can set it down on the trivet when it's hot. Got your little sponge. I am excited to use this. Oh, I can't wait. Check it out for yourself.